Hi, good morning. It is 8:30 or 9 in the morning right now, and we slept at 1:30. We were playing some cards, and then we gossiped, and then we slept. Yeah, we just woke up, and guess where I'm sitting? It is just right next to the river. I am totally loving this place. Also, it looks so pretty when sunlight falls on the water. Everything is very peaceful and very pretty. So we're planning to leave to Nainital today in another 1 or 2 hours, and the weather there is amazing. It is 3 degrees there. We're so excited about it, and also we're planning to do paragliding. Agar weather theek raha to. Yeah, that's it. I'll catch you up there. Ready for day 3. Let me show you my OOTD. So I'm wearing this very cozy grey long coat with a muffler, sweater, then a warmer, and yeah. Now we are going for breakfast and then we'll go to Nainital. I'm also loving the makeup today. Let me show you. We have reached Nainital and it is so crowded. So crowded. We just roamed around on the mall road, and the view from there is so pretty because you can see the lake. And then we finally went for boating. इतना पानी उड़ा रहे भैया कह रहे बहुत हो गया। रेहान, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस बोट चलाने का?
मजा आया, बट मुझे थोड़ी सी आगे चल रही उल्टी साइड में।
आगे चली इससे?
हाँ, उस साइड चली जहाँ पे आप रहे।
कहीं पे भी नहीं चली, सिर्फ छिट्टे उड़े।
नहीं
हाँ
चली सीधी।
अब तू एक्सेप्ट कर कि तेरे से बोट नहीं चली।
हाँ भाई, आपसे भी नहीं चली।
एक्सेप्ट।
मैं एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ, मुझसे नहीं चली, इनसे भी नहीं चलनी। मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे देखा था।
बड़ी देर लगा रहा है मैगी बनाने में।
हाँ, माजे हमारी घर वाली मैगी से तेज ही बना रहे हैं।
After boating, we had Maggie and cotton candy by the lake. And then we went to Tibetan Market, which is in Nainital only. So it is just one lane and you have a lot of shops. You have a lot of clothes and very cute stuff as well. So we went there for the very famous momos from Sonam Fast Food Corner. So this place serves mutton momos and veg momos. Thank you. After all the good food and good vibes and boating and everything else, we went again to Jim Corbett. Hi, we are back to Jim Corbett from Nainital. The weather there was too good. It was 7 degrees there जब we left. पहले तो थोड़ा धूप ही थी, उसके बाद शाम में it was very cold. And then we left. It is 6:45 right now and we just reached our hotel like 5 minutes ago. Actually we went to Nainital to do paragliding from Bhimtal, लेकिन फिर वहाँ जाके पता चला that Bhimtal is 25 kilometers away, which is around 1 hour in the hills. But सब लोग ने मना कर दिया because अंधेरा हो जाता, उसके बाद फिर हमें आने में प्रॉब्लम होती. So we had to drop the plan and here we are. We just roamed around. We went to see the Tibetan market, ate very famous momos from there. Veg momos were not very good, but the mutton momos were very tasty. I didn't eat. My my family did. So yeah, altogether Nainital was good. Now we are at a hotel and we have to wake up tomorrow like really early at around 5 because we have our jungle safari at 6 tomorrow. So yeah, I'll record whatever we'll do today and then I'll see you tomorrow. Then we had some games planned for us in the hotel itself. We played that and then we roamed in our hotel and we also discovered this very pretty jhula which had lights on it. It looked so pretty. Hi, good morning. It is 6 a.m. right now और अभी तक बहुत अंधेरा है. I'm standing right in front of a street light. We are going for jungle safari right now. We woke up at 5:30. It's so cold and I'm wearing 6 layers of clothes right now. 2 mufflers, 1 cap, mask, gloves, 2 socks. It's very cold और जीप में तो मरने वाली है. So excited for it. And I'm waiting for my cousins now. वो लोग आएंगे तो we leave. So it's 6:15 or 6:30 right now and this is how the weather was. It was just so foggy and we couldn't see anything except some deers. Yeah, that's it. And also the driver told us that Kal movie was shot in this jungle and the view was just breathtaking and the experience was amazing. We took a break after 15-20 minutes and we had hot coffee from the jungle itself. The coffee was horrible. It was बहुत कड़वी. It was not at all tasty, but it was a good experience.
कैसी है कॉफी?
बहुत कड़वी, बिल्कुल भी पीनी नहीं है. After a coffee, we continued with our jungle safari, and as soon as we got deeper into the jungle, we could spot some deers finally. So here we stopped for like 15 minutes because the guide told us that when a barking deer barks, there's a tiger around that place. So we could hear a barking deer here and we stopped for 15-20 minutes but still we couldn't spot anything. Not even that barking deer. And this was such a pretty place. I especially asked the driver to stop because I wanted to make the video. And finally we spotted a peacock as well when we were leaving from the jungle. Our safari came to an end. After reaching the hotel, we directly went for our breakfast at the restaurant, which is Machan. Because we were already running late, we had to leave. It's time to say goodbye to this beautiful property and this is the last day of our trip. And that is our luggage. We stopped at Shiva Dhaba while we were coming back to Delhi and we had our lunch from this place. सो ढाबे में जाके दाल मखनी नहीं खाई तो यू हैवंट हैड एनीथिंग. वी हैड दाल मखनी एंड लच्छा पराठा विद इट एंड या. Hi, so it is 7:30 p.m. right now and we are back home. It feels so good to be back. It feels good but also it feels bad थोड़ा सा कि now we'll have to stay at home for I don't know how long. Next trip का plan होती है कुछ भी नहीं पता है. Also Delhi आते ही there was so much of pollution, इतना ज़्यादा, and there was a lot of traffic पूरा road पे because of the farmers protest. ऐसा नहीं था कि रूट्स ब्लॉक किए हुए थे बट हाँ डाइवर्ट हुआ था ट्रैफिक, तो उसकी वजह से बहुत जैम था. But yeah, now we are home and I'll edit the videos and I'll post it and I'm just so excited about it. I hope you liked the vlog. I hope you liked our trip. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon and stay tuned for the next videos. Bye.